Okay, so we're gonna be doing that back steps. Here's the first target slide, and then you look at the back, like back step. There's an easier way. You can use a quick melee easier. Got this. Okay, wait, I'm gonna go change my loadout. Was a freezer, right? Because there's another cool trick you can do. Okay, so you attack them with daggers and then go use your quick melee to go kill them like that. And I can come like, cause I am lucky kind of bad at this at the stick I made, but don't blame me. It's kind of hard, okay? You need skill for the stick. Like, look at this. Like, okay, I'm going to show you guys of what could do. Front step was looking at the front of you like that. You need to be very close to them. Look at the back of you. Then go super duper close on them like this, no? Then go aim. Who killed him? Anyway, on this guy, look at this, then go aim. I can't go show you guys. Like that.
How about you try on this guy, yo?
Okay, let's go. Wow, I killed two at once. Anyways, everybody, I have a question for you guys. Do any of you guys have skill on sniper? No? Okay. Okay. So cameraman, follow me. Cameraman. Cameraman. Come over here. Right here. Okay, so wait. Start. Okay, so everybody, thus, what you call a ramp thingy. While you're sniping, you're gonna go on top of it, and you guys will probably go hold them to the right and snipe all of them like this. But the thing is, you're doing it wrong because you must crouch right under it. Once the perfect time comes, you can shoot them. And just crouching you down your footsteps. So you will know if they are near you or behind you. Headshot. And there's another stuff. If you're near them, a sniper, you must now scope them like this. Okay, I must not ignore that. Edit to cut that out. Cameraman. Okay.
Yep.
Okay,
Yes. Banana.
come over here. I'll right here.
Okay. Where are you?
Okay, so this is how do you know scope? Cameraman, get over here.
I am here.
On top, okay. So, wait, 3, 2, 1, start. Okay, so you see this person, huh? You need to be very close to them, and then you can now scope them the headshot.
Yes.
But if you want to do it 3, 1. Peace, guys. This video is sponsored by me, slash Flaming Code. My name is Riaz. And my cameraman, yes, shout out to him because he's my editor.